issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Argyle to 6 miles northwest of Winslow to near Pearl City, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. These are destructive storms for Gratiot,
Oh my God!
Monroe, and Monticello. Hazard, 80 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source,
Oh my God! Whoa.
impact, flying debris will
80 mile an hour winds.
caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Monroe,
This is fucking crazy.
Shelburne, Monticello, Albany, Argyle, Wheeler, South Wayne, Browntown, Gratiot, Attica, Judah, Jordan Center, and Woodford.
What about it like that?
Remain alert for a possible tornado.
More like that.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for south central Wisconsin.
Oh my God! This is crazy.